All right, repost specials, guys. Holy cow, 2012 Ford Fusion SE. And man, this sucker is nasty. 186,000 miles. Exterior's not bad. I mean, it's got just a tiny little bumper damage on the front, but y'all, this thing is nasty. This thing is gray. It's supposed to have light gray carpet. Look at this. You can see, that's what it's supposed to kind of be like. Look at that. That will never come clean. I'll have to go to pull apart and try and find some clean carpet. This thing has, I mean, it is filthy. But guess what? It runs good. And got freezing cold AC. And it looks like they changed the oil, so they half-assed maintained it. They just didn't keep her clean. This is what you call the working man special car right here. Probably used to drive to the damn coal mine. The wife picked the husband up every day because he can't drive because his license is suspended due to 9 DUIs. You know, that's exactly what the hell this is right here. But the car drives good. Got cold ass AC. It's got Microsoft Sync, decent radio, cleaner, change of oil, rock and roll, baby. And these 4-cylinders, these 2.5 4-cylinders, they're really, I think, better than the V6. Or I don't know, they're equally as good. They're hard to kill. Let's turn this damn fan down. All right, let's go. Yeah. Uh-oh, a little hard shift there on the third one. Let me try that a little slower. We might have a transmission starting to... You probably could just use a filter and some fresh fluid. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. It still shifts pretty good. It's just got a little bump to it. I mean, hell, it's got almost 200,000 miles. I'll just have to see how cheap this thing goes for. I might give $1,500 for it. Let's see. Might could use motor mount, maybe. I don't know. Hard to say. But look at the body out here. It's not too bad. It's just dirty. It's got the nice wheels on it, alloys. It runs just as quiet and as... Can't open the hood again. Where is the hood release? There we go. Yeah. Man, that 2.5, yeah, it's hard to beat, man. They're great engines. And if someone just half-ass maintained it. Listen to her run. She sounds good. But we got just a little, we got some bumper woes here that need to be kind of addressed. And you can fix that with some damn deck screws. One ugly dent there in the fender. The tire is fair at best, but the body's not beat to piss. You know, it's just dirty. Got a hole there in the bumper. Another easy auto car. Oh, the outside door handle doesn't work, so I gotta get that fixed. Would have to get that fixed if I ended up with her. Oh my God, the back seat, y'all. Look at that. Car seats, and just spill it and let it ride. And let's throw the dog in too. Man, I'd have to work awfully hard on this car. Man, I'd have to do some cleaning. Oh God, would I have to do some cleaning. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna drive this one around a little bit now that it's warmed up. But y'all got the gist. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.